The software that actually we created with the NFL Lite is seamlessly integrated with the machine. We developed it in-house, which makes for a very smooth and user-friendly software where the controls are extremely responsive, essentially. So in this software, what can you do? You can load a new experiment. You can create a recipe. Let's say you want to develop a new material like titanium dioxide for optics applications. You can create a material development recipe with different process parameters that will be changed at different positions, giving you a matrix of tests. So once you have this, the software is going to simulate what is the outcome and give you indication of how long it's going to take for processing. Now that you have that, you can go to the machine. There is inside the software already the human-machine interface integrated. There is an indication of how the valves and temperature are going to change. And before it starts the processing, you will have to load your substrate on the sample holder here below our nozzle. And then you will be able to just press start and it will print, the matrix of tests.